Hey everyone, welcome back to the Marine Parts Source Garage. Today I'd like to talk to you about maintaining the sanitation system on your boat. And in particular, I'd like to talk about the features and benefits of the Raritan SaniFlex sanitation hose. Now, changing out your sanitation hose is not a job that I think any of us look forward to, but if you suspect that there's some sort of odor permeation going on, you're probably going to want to change out the hose, or if you're upgrading your toilet, we really recommend that you change out the hose at that time as well. So when you're selecting a sanitation hose, it's really important that you select one that has an odor permeation guarantee. That's just going to improve the enjoyment of the boating experience for you and all of those on board. But in addition, you're going to want to select a hose that's incredibly flexible. That's going to make the installation a lot easier and save you a lot of time. The great thing about the Raritan SaniFlex hose is that it does both of those things really well. It's got superior flexibility while also offering the lowest odor permeation of any sanitation hose on the market, whether it be rubber or PVC. The Raritan SaniFlex hose offers a 10-year odor permeation guarantee. The reason why they're able to do that is because of the special rubber construction of the hose, which resists odor permeation up to 15 times that of a standard PVC sanitation hose. It's also incredibly flexible. It's got a double steel wire reinforcement inside the wall of the hose, which allows for a really tight bend radius, up to 2 times that of its diameter. So even when you're having to do a tight turn, it's not going to kink up on you. It's going to make installation a lot easier and a lot quicker for you. Now, that wire reinforcement, along with the synthetic yarn construction of the hose, is going to give it a lot of strength as well. It's going to be resistant to any sort of bursting that might occur as a result of a high pressure situation or if there's a clog at a fitting. And it's also going to be resistant to collapsing as the result of suction coming from the pump. So that's going to make the SaniFlex hose ideal for any type of sanitation system on a boat, whether it be a vacuum generating system or a macerating system. One final feature that's really nice about the SaniFlex hose is it's got a smooth wall interior. That's going to make it easy to connect to a hose barb fitting. You're not going to require any sort of heating or special lubrication like you would with a standard PVC hose. Now, if you're worried that odor permeation from your sanitation hose might be an issue, there's a really quick and easy way to test that. Just take a cloth and get it wet with hot water, as hot as you can hold it, and then wrap it around the hose at the point where it's connecting to a hose fitting. Let the cloth cool down, and then you can take it off and smell it. If the odor has permeated to the cloth, then you know that that's a source of odor permeation. If it's not, then you can move on to testing other connection areas. You'll want to test every spot where the hose connects to a fitting, because even though odor permeation may not be happening from one spot, it may be happening at another. Now, another area where odor permeation can happen is from your holding tank if you're using one. And Raritan has a really great product to combat that situation, and it's called K.O. It stands for Kills Odors, and it's a bacteria that will go into your holding tank and eliminate waste and paper and things like that, and keep your holding tank clean and eliminate any kind of odors that might come from it. So that's a really terrific product, but if you're using that and you're also using a toilet cleaner, a standard toilet cleaner usually is going to interfere with the bacteria, kill that bacteria, and so it's not going to be beneficial at all. So if you're using the K.O. product on your holding tank, we also recommend that you use Raritan's C.P. product for your toilet. C.P. stands for Cleans Potties. It does a really good job of cleaning your toilet, and it has the extra benefit of not interfering with the K.O. bacteria that's cleaning your holding tank. Now, another final thing to think about is that a lot of marine toilets have a discharge port that will accept either an inch diameter or 1.5 inch diameter sanitation hose. If you're in a saltwater environment, you're using salt water to flush with, we strongly recommend that you use the larger 1.5 inch diameter sanitation hose. The reason why is because the waste from the toilet can combine with salt water to create what's called a uric buildup inside the hose, and you don't want that. So we really recommend that you use 1.5 inch hose for those saltwater situations. Regardless of whether you're using the inch or the 1.5 inch sanitation hose, we also recommend that you use Raritan's C.H. product, which will help to dissolve uric buildup inside your hose. So that's going to be a really great product. Again, if you're in a saltwater situation, the C.H. product is going to be something that you want to descale your hose on a regular basis. Now you can find all the products we featured in this video by clicking the links below. In fact, you can see our entire offering of Raritan sanitation products. The SaniFlex hose we sell in both inch and inch-and-a-half diameters, so it's going to fit most marine sanitation systems. We also sell it by the foot or in 50-foot rolls. If you have any questions about your sanitation system or would like some help troubleshooting an issue, just give us a call. Our ABYC certified experts can certainly help you. The number is 866-388-0390. You can also find us online at marinepartssource.com. Now please like and subscribe to our channel so you can see more great content in the future. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. We really appreciate you watching the video. We'll see you next time.